Kawaii hears the noise. Get the flip-flop. I gets the flip-flop. Here's the noise. Ugh. That's it.
Shut your bitch ass up! Shut your bitch ass up!
Shut your bitch up. People are trying to motherfucking sleep. If you do not shut the fuck up, I swear I will throw this flip-flop at you. If you couldn't hear from the laughing I was doing, sorry. Oh, sorry about that.
Shut your bitch ass up!
This is why you motherfucking shut the fuck up before I throw this motherfucking flip-flop at your face. And you have seen what you did. You wanna know what you did? You have did something with the whole neighborhood. You woke you woke us up. So would you explain why? Because you're a nigger. So that's how you want to be, huh? Alright, that's it. That's it. I will do something to you. You will not.
What do you love?
You do not like. Wait, what? That's what you motherfucking get. Why did you have to hit me with the flip-flop? I had to for a reason. You made a lot of noise. You called me the N-word. And you think that's funny? No. That's officially annoying. And never do that again. Now I'm going to get the motherfucking back to motherfucking sleep. You make one more noise again, I swear I will do that again. And don't make me do it. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I won't do it again. And you better get the funk to sleep. Jeez, people are trying to motherfucking sleep here. It's like 1 in the morning. It's like 12 in the morning, actually. Actually, in real life, it's 6. Now, never wake us up again like that, or else. Fine, okay, I won't wake you and your stupid... your friends. I won't wake them up, okay? Stupid 3-year... What are you about to call me? Nothing. Now, you better shut up and get the food to sleep. Okay. I should have not done that ever in my life. Because that was really stupid to do. I hate that idiot. Oh always ruining the fun I always have. That stupid darn... Shut up! Everyone's trying to sleep. Alright, stupid mother... Never... Fine. A stupid day. And I'll just get the mother... to sleep. Finally, she better be asleep. People are trying to get sleep here. Anyways, if you all see, yes, I'm in my room now. If you enjoyed this, video, sorry, I was eating. Go press that like and click that subscribe and click on the kawaii bell. Oh, anyways, that's all. Bye bye.